This video is part of a series of videos that guide you through the steps to prepare and paint your pool with LUXAPOOL Epoxy Pool Paint. In this video, we will show you how to repair small cracks in cement pools with LUXAPOOL Structural Epoxy Filler. Before you begin, ensure the pool surface has been cleaned with LUXAPOOL Concentrated Wash. You will need 3 spatulas. Use one only for LUXAPOOL Structural Epoxy Filler Part A and one only for Part B. Use the third spatula for mixing and avoid cross-contamination. A clean plastic or metal can to mix the LUXAPOOL Structural Epoxy Filler Parts A and B. LUXAPOOL Structural Epoxy Filler Part A and Part B, 20 to 40 grit sandpaper, and an angle grinder and masonry cutting disc. Protective clothing including gloves, dust mask, safety glasses, earmuffs, safety boots and hat, and read the instructions on the can. Inspect the surface of the pool for cracks and divots. A small divot has a depth of less than 10 mm deep and a small crack has a width of less than 5 mm wide. Divots deeper than 10 mm needing repair should be filled with a sand and cement mix. If your pool is rendered or plastered, or if you own a marble sheen pool, check first for drumminess. If you do have drumminess or large cracks, contact Colourmaker Industries for further advice. Small cracks need to be opened up into a V to the base of the crack using an angle grinder with a masonry cutting disc. Assess the area to be repaired and mix sufficient LUXAPOOL Structural Epoxy Filler Part A and B in equal volumes until you have a uniform colour. Only mix an amount that can be used within 30 to 40 minutes. Hairline cracks do not need to be filled with LUXAPOOL Structural Epoxy Filler, as LUXAPOOL Epoxy Swimming Pool Paint will bridge cracks less than 1 mm wide. Fill the hole flush with LUXAPOOL Structural Epoxy Filler. Small cracks in marble sheen and pebblecrete pools can also be filled in this manner with LUXAPOOL Structural Epoxy Filler. Allow to cure overnight and then sandbag flush with a coarse 20 to 40 grit sandpaper